how to log into your Roblox account without password. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to log into your Roblox account without password. So in my case, as you can see, I'm currently logged in. So I'm going to click on the gear icon and click the logout button. Roblox offer different options in order to log in without using a password. First of all, you want to enter in your email address. Next, you could go and use email me one-time password or one-time code. When you do this, a verification code will be sent to your registered email, which you have to enter in, and as soon as you do it so, you'll be logged into your account. Similarly, the other one is you could use another device. For this method, you actually have to log into your mobile device. Make sure that you're already logged in. Then you just need to go ahead and open up your Roblox account. So here I am. What's next you want to do is launch open Roblox. Now, as I already mentioned that you have to log in with the same account on your mobile device as well. Once you are logged in, what you need to do is right on this field, click the more button and scroll down and go to quick sign in. Over here, you just have to go ahead and enter in the code that will be displayed on the PC screen. Then you have to enter in the exact, as I've done it, so you could see the confirm and all that. So I just need to go ahead and confirm it and I'll be logged into my account successfully. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.